Okay, so ma'am, as shown in this video, this is the page, a web page on which you can control your pump. And now this is the setup. So I did an extra function of the slider. So by using this slider you can change the speed of the pump. So if the pump speed will be changed, you will be able to set your desired flow rate of the liquid. So for example, in your case, I have choose a very small or mini pump, so its flow rate is also very little. So in case maybe because it has also capability of around 1 liter per minute, so at maximum speed. So if you will decrease the speed of the pump, surely the flow rate will be decrease, and then you will be able to set the flow of the liquid according to your need. Let me demonstrate it. So right now I have set it to 0. So yeah, it is, let me put it around 20-second on time and then 5 second off time. When I set timer, then you will see it will turn on. Yeah, it is turned on. So right now it is you can see here, so here you will see the brightness change of the LED. So whenever you the decrease in the brightness, it's mean that the pump speed will be decreased. So both LED and the pump are relatable to each other, because internal functionality through the microcontroller is same for both LED and pumps. Yeah, so now let me decrease it. You will see the brightness will be decreased. Yeah, you can see I'm going to decrease it further. Yeah, more, and then yeah, you can see, and then increase. Yeah, increase. So now it is off because the on timer was reached. So again it will turn on. Yeah, now let me make it maximum. Yeah, it is on now. Right now it is on the maximum. Let me show you. Yeah, and let me decrease it. You will see the brightness change. Yeah, so right now it's 20-second are reached, so it will turn on again after 5 seconds. Yeah, now on. You will see its brightness. Let me decrease it more. Yeah, more here. So let me increase it. You can see. Yeah, thank you ma'am. So hopefully you will have your project working in that way.